Hey hustlers, welcome back to Money Hustle 360, where we help you turn your dreams into dollars. Today we're diving into 7 common online business mistakes that keep you broke and how to fix them. If you're struggling to make your online business profitable, you're not alone. Many entrepreneurs fall into these traps, but the good news is that awareness is the first step to success. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. First up is not defining your target audience. Many new entrepreneurs make the mistake of trying to appeal to everyone, which often leads to diluted marketing efforts and wasted resources. To fix this, take the time to identify who your ideal customer is. Consider factors like age, gender, interests, and pain points. Create a detailed customer persona that outlines their demographics and behaviors. Once you know who you're targeting, tailor your marketing messages and product offerings to meet their specific needs. This focused approach will not only improve your marketing effectiveness, but also increase your chances of converting leads into paying customers. Next, let's talk about ignoring SEO or search engine optimization. Many entrepreneurs underestimate the power of SEO in driving organic traffic to their websites. Without proper optimization, your site may remain invisible to potential customers searching for your products or services. To fix this, start by conducting keyword research to identify relevant terms your audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Uber suggests to find keywords with good search volume and low competition. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your website content, meta descriptions, and headings. Additionally, focus on creating high-quality, valuable content that answers your audience's questions. By optimizing your site for search engines, you'll attract more visitors and increase your chances of making sales. Way number 3 is not building an email list. Many online business owners overlook the importance of email marketing, but it's one of the most effective ways to nurture leads and drive sales. To fix this, start collecting email addresses from day 1. Offer something of value like a free ebook, discount, or exclusive content in exchange for visitors' email addresses. Once you have a list, create engaging email campaigns that provide value and encourage recipients to visit your website. Segment your audience based on their interests to send targeted emails that resonate with them. Remember, email marketing allows you to build relationships with your audience, leading to higher conversion rates and repeat customers. Next up is underestimating the power of social media. In today's digital landscape, social media is a crucial tool for driving traffic and building brand awareness. Many entrepreneurs fail to leverage these platforms effectively, missing out on valuable opportunities. To fix this, identify which social media platforms your target audience uses most. Create a content strategy that includes engaging posts, stories, and videos that resonate with your audience. Don't just promote your products. Share valuable content, engage with your followers, and build a community around your brand. Consistency is key, so make sure to post regularly and interact with your audience. By harnessing the power of social media, you can drive traffic to your website and increase your chances of making sales. Way number 5 is failing to analyze data. Many entrepreneurs launch their businesses without tracking their performance, which can lead to missed opportunities for improvement. To fix this, start using analytics tools like Google Analytics to monitor your website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. Regularly review your data to identify trends and areas for improvement. Look at which marketing channels are driving the most traffic and sales, and adjust your strategy accordingly. By analyzing your data, you can make informed decisions that will help you optimize your business for success. Next, we have not investing in quality. Many entrepreneurs try to cut costs by using low-quality images, poorly designed websites, or subpar products. This can damage your brand's reputation and drive potential customers away. To fix this, prioritize quality in every aspect of your business. Invest in professional product photography, a user-friendly website design, and high-quality products. Remember, your website is often the first impression potential customers have of your brand, so make it count. By providing a high-quality experience, you'll build trust with your audience and increase your chances of making sales. Finally, let's talk about giving up too soon. Many entrepreneurs expect instant success and become discouraged when they don't see immediate results. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and persistence. To fix this mindset, set realistic expectations and understand that setbacks are a part of the journey. Focus on your long-term goals and celebrate small wins along the way. Stay committed to learning and adapting your strategies based on what works and what doesn't. Remember, every successful entrepreneur has faced challenges, but those who persevere are the ones who ultimately succeed. Now that you know the 7 common online business mistakes that keep you broke, here are some tips for success. Stay educated. Continuously educate yourself about your industry, marketing strategies, and business practices. Knowledge is power. Network with other entrepreneurs. Connect with other business owners to share experiences, insights, and support. Collaboration can lead to new opportunities. Keep testing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies and approaches. What works for one business may not work for another, so keep testing until you find what resonates with your audience. Stay organized. Use tools and software to keep your business organized. This will help you manage your time effectively and stay on top of tasks. Seek feedback. Regularly ask for feedback from your customers and audience. This can provide valuable insights that help you improve your products and services. And there you have it. 7 common online business mistakes that keep you broke and how to fix them. Which mistake have you encountered in your journey? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, hustle smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.